Here's how to finish overlock seam. Leave about 7 cm of thread seam. Take embroidery needle with big eye and dull end. Pull thread seam through needle eye. Push the needle to overlock seam and pull through. Trim excess threads. Seam is neatly finished and secured. Did you know you can use hem foot to attach string to fabric? Put a piece of string through the funnel. Attach foot to the machine. Start sewing with a straight stitch. The strip goes through the funnel and gets stitched. Move fabric to create waves or other shapes. The string is securely attached to the fabrics and it's a great way to create decorative elements. Here's how to sew square pin tucks. You will need pin tucking foot. Install foot to the machine and replace standard needle with a twin one. Draw squares on the right side of the fabric and start sewing using straight stitch. Increase thread tension for more express pin tucks. Continue to sew until all vertical lines are finished. Once vertical lines are finished, rotate fabric and start sewing horizontal lines. Continue until all lines are finished. And here is the result: beautiful square pin tucks, great decorative element. Here's how to sew elastic ruffle. You will need elastic gum. Place fabric right side down. Place elastic under the foot. Secure the seam with a stitch. Stretch the elastic and start sewing with a straight stitch. Keep elastic stretched at all times. The more you stretch the elastic, the more ruffles you'll get. And here is the result: beautiful elastic ruffle.